Their opponents. Of 400 pounds of pure filth. They are the SCW Pro Fantasy Chickens. JD Energy. Just vicious and delicious. Red, white, and
Daddy!
blue. And we are your two-time SCW Pro Tag Team Champions of the world. JD Energy, the absolute best thing going in the company. I'm actually a really good wrestler. My name is Josh C. We are vicious
and delicious.
And you can get 20 years in
Wait, do you guys not like us? Wait, do you guys like them? Wait, I'm sorry, it's not clear, Do you like vicious and delicious? Or do you like Latin thunder? Vicious and delicious. Latin thunder. Latin thunder. Latin thunder.
Daddy.
I don't like that. Now when we hit our pump in the middle of this ring, I don't want anybody booing. I don't want anybody cheering for Latin thunder, Latin thunder. I want you to show us respect. Do you hear me? We'll count it down. No boos, no chanting Latin thunder, just cheers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. You got the absolute best thing going in the company today. Does everybody want it? Does everybody want it?
Oh, Daddy! Get it now?
Latin Thunder and Latin Thunder Jr. taking on Josh C.
I'm in heaven right now. I'll talk to you in a minute.
I feel like we can just share this mic, guys. Come on. Absolutely. Look at Latin Thunder Jr. making his SCW Pro debut tonight.
tonight. Latin Thunder Jr. showing some impressive technical prowess against Josh C.
Very intrigued to see what we get out of it from Latin Thunder Jr.
Stretching that arm is Latin Thunder Jr. Loving Jr. out here scouting their opponents, their potential future opponents here in the tag team division. Uh-oh.
Lucha Libre, cabrón. I don't know what that means.
I think we're good.
That makes the butt look bigger.
Thunder got JT right where he wants it. Love the catch against him, protect his fingertips. Oh, punch in the midsection.
Yeah, tell him, Daddy.
I absolutely agree, JP. They're going to be very promising.
Oh, honey. Where the fuck is JT at? Oh, Daddy.
From behind, my man. Only two.
Oh, Daddy. This girl's nice too.
Latin Thunder Jr. in the corner. Really needs to get Latin Thunder in the ring. John, you got.
Oh, come on, you damn ref. What the frick? My boy's gonna kick your ass. That body is caliente. His body's delicious. It's like, holy shit. He wants to. Never mind. I'll tell you later. Yum.
Does anybody know where JT is?
Hold him down. Hold him down.
Come on, JT!
Not today, son. Not today.
Kick to the chest of Latin Thunder Jr. Crowd behind Latin Thunder tagging in Josh C.
Why is he wearing that outfit?
Latin Thunder Jr.
Woo!
really needs to get down and down. Really needs to get down.
Shut up.
Congratulations, Dan. That's our junior here.
Oh, Tim is flying. We're the shot of the midsection. Oh. Oh, showing what he can do. Never seen Latin Thunder Jr. in the ring before tonight. Oh! The chin locker.
Oh my God.
Josh dragging him back into that corner. Now he's going to put a chin lock on, put on his body and I'm not going to do a little now.
I know.
Order it up here.
Oh, Daddy. Delicious. The bachelor. Looking for a partner. Someone who knows how to ride. Without being forced at all. Get in there, baby. Show them what you got.
May have won the match and retain the titles.
Oh, honey.
Uh-oh, we're gonna see Latin play. Uh-oh, he's going out. What's he thinking? Great debut for Latin Thunder Jr., guys. Great debut for him, and hope to see them again in the future.
Come on, baby. Get
Very
your ass
impressive
up.
debut.
You want a massage?
Very impressive on both parts. Delicious, delicious. I'm gonna be honest with you. Seeing you guys win is just not something I'm really used to as of late. So I'm not used to it at all. And I think you guys remember the last time we were in Walcott, right? When you cowards attacked me and my tag team partner, Jared Dunn. I mean, you heard Jared Dunn, but he couldn't compete. He could not compete. But good thing my good buddy was here. And my good buddy came to the rescue Do you guys remember that? You guys
No,
remember my good buddy?
I wasn't here.
WWE Hall of Famer, Hacksaw Jim Duggan. You see, me and Hacksaw, we beat you guys in this ring 1, 2, 3.
It's so delicious.
Oh God, I can't believe I've done this. How rude of me. I've got some big news. Before I've got some big news. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got some big news. Tonight is my tag team partner, Jared Thumb's birthday. Let's hear it for Jared Thumb, everybody. It is Jared Thumb's birthday today.
Whoopie-doo.
Who wants to sing him happy birthday, huh?
No.
Who wants to sing him happy birthday? Come on, let's hear it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jared Thumb. Happy birthday to
That's
Thumb, I tell you what, brother. I got your birthday present. I hit up the SCW Pro Board of Directors, and I said, listen,
no
it's kind of ridiculous the fact that we have beat Delicious and Delicious how many times?
Once.
Where's our tag team titles, huh?
No.
So very, very big news. August 24th.
Yeah. my baby.
SCW anniversary. It's going to be U2 Punks versus Thumb and Finger for the SCW Tag Team titles. How's that for a birthday present, Thumb?
It's not my birthday, man. You know my real birthday is December 1st.
Today's your birthday, Punks. We're talking that nonsense. Ladies and gentlemen, take it good. Long, hard look. Future SCW Pro Tag Team Champions.